guys, welcome to my channel. So today we're going to talk about the best way to earn a passive income in 2021, and we call this business model the lazy business model. Just stay tuned and we're going to dive into action right away. So let's go. So before we dive into action, I would invite you to please subscribe to my channel and click on the little bell so you get informed when I post new videos online. And please give me some comments below, give me some likes. I always reply to my comments. I really like, guys, when you give me some comments. It encourages me to keep going and give you some more videos about really good value that you can just implement in your online business straight away. So let's dive into action. So what did we want to talk about? What's the lazy business model? So the lazy business model is called affiliate marketing. So I've been into affiliate marketing for a couple of months now, and I can tell you it's been a real game changer. You can see all the opportunities because I used to have my own business and I had to do all the work and all the customer service. That was really tiring and really frustrating from time to time. And with affiliate marketing, what is great is you're just selling other people's product. So you have a link, you have your affiliate link, and it's really linked to you with that product. So you just have to promote that product through any kind of way that you want. So it can be a blog, Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, any way that you want. And with that link, if the person buys, you're gonna make a commission. So it depends on how it works depending on a company. You have different types of commissions. It can be per lead, it can be per sales, it can be a percentage, it can be a specific amount. So it really depends on how it works with that company's affiliate system. But guys, there are tons of opportunities out there. You can go and see on ClickBank, you can go see on Digistore. It's just a couple of examples, but you have so many websites that are just putting all together all the affiliate offers out there. So depending on your niche, you just choose the product, and no matter what niche that you are, you're for sure a 100% sure that you're gonna find an offer that you can promote out there and give some value to the people that need that product. So it can be really physical product and can be more digital products. So on the Digistore, you're going to find more digital products, and on ClickBank, you're going to find both. So I really suggest you to dive into affiliate marketing if you want to earn a passive income in 2021. But first, how do you do that? I really encourage you to take a proper training. It's going to change your life as it changed mine. And I have a link below, and I think I really found the proper training that you should take in order to start making money with affiliate marketing. Otherwise, if you try to do it all by yourself, it may take some time and it may be a little bit frustrating. And that's what I tried in the beginning. And I tried mostly to find free trainings and free books and free things out there that could show me the best way to go into affiliate marketing. But at the end, the best is to take the proper training that is going to show you exactly what steps you need to take in order to start making money online with affiliate marketing. So if you're interested in that training, you can click on the link below. It's going to be the first link, and you for sure are going to start making money online if you put into work and if you follow the steps that you're going to learn in that training. And in that training, you're really going to learn the entrepreneur mindset, which is magical, and you're gonna become like a machine of productivity. So that's really nice. So I really hope that you like this video, guys. I'm gonna post the link below if you want to take that training. And if you like that, please subscribe to my channel, give me some likes, give me some comments below. I always reply to all my comments. So take care, guys, and have a really great 2021 year and a great start in your online business with affiliate marketing. Okay, ciao.